Welcome to Tech Tips. I'm Len Groom. Today we're talking about differentials and transfer cases and the importance of maintaining the fluids. Failure to maintain the fluids in your diff or your transfer case can result in some major catastrophic failures and cost you a lot of money. We went out and we talked to some industry experts on why it's so important to maintain those fluids. Let's take a look at what they had to say.
This is a transfer case out of a front-wheel drive GM. This is a differential of a Ford truck. And both of these units have failed from lubrication problems. Let me show you how. You can see the damage that's starting to occur on the back side of this ring and pinion, which this is the drive side when you're on the gas. This mark is not supposed to be here. This is starting to create heat. Therefore, you will get lots of gear noise. You shouldn't see any of this scarring on a ring and pinion gear. Now we are looking at the coast side of the ring gear, and as you can see, the scarring in here. Those scars should not be here. The metal should be perfectly smooth. Because of this horrible scarring on this ring gear, you will get gear noise. This ring and pinion is well on its way to failure. On this transfer case, you can definitely see the fluid has been overheated. The teeth here are starting to peel off. It takes one tooth to chip off of this tooth from overheating, which will run through this whole transfer case and destroy it. As you can see in the bottom of this transfer case, all these chips, these are the particles off the teeth from overheating fluid. It doesn't stop there. It entirely runs through this whole transfer case and takes every gear out. As you can see here, by not choosing a good quality fluid, this can happen. For instance, this transfer case, $2,500. Front differential for a Ford, $1,500. So it's really crucial to have a good quality fluid.
So as you can see, the damage can be massive. That transfer case was destroyed and there was some serious wear on that differential. Really good reasons why you need to maintain that fluid. So make sure you check out AMSOIL's Severe Gear to maintain that differential or that transfer case. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.